So when it comes to nitric oxide promoting supplements, I'm a huge fan of Berkeley Life's dietary nitrate-based capsules. So I actually love to get all of my clients hooked up with the Nitric Oxide Foundation starting kit here. This is the best place to start because you get a test tube of our dietary nitrite testing strips. So it's a salivary test strip that you can easily get a reading on how much circulating nitrate do you have in your body and how well can your oral microbiota convert that nitrate into nitrite, which is what the test strip is measuring. So I actually recommend starting every single morning with the test strip. I literally, first thing out of bed, I get my coffee brewing, I get my supplements ready to go, but before I've had anything to drink, I use a salivary test strip to see where I'm at. That way it informs my dosing regimen. So depending on how depleted or sufficient my salivary nitrite levels appear to be based on the test strip, then that will tell me how many capsules do I need in that day. I personally usually do 1 capsule per day of the Nitric Oxide Foundation formulation. So this is what the box looks like here. So it's primarily potassium nitrate, that is the main ingredient. So that is supplying our body with a therapeutic level of dietary nitrate that then our body can reduce into nitrite or further into that miracle molecule that is nitric oxide on demand as needed to fuel our metabolic engine. So I love using this product with all of my clients with chronic complex illness or mental health struggles, as well as those that are looking to optimize their health, optimize their athletic performance. It's a very easy way to enhance their overall metabolic output. So I love using the Berkeley Life Nitric Oxide Test Strips. I literally use one of these every single day, at least one. My typical daily regimen is first thing out of bed, I'll use a test strip to see where I'm at for the day. So let's go and try this out just so you guys see what this is all about. So in the tube, we've got 50 test strips. It's a simple test strip, says saliva here on one side. So what we're gonna do is collect a saliva sample on this pad and then we'll squeeze the 2 pads together and get what's called a Grice reaction. So essentially it will cause a pink reaction because of the chemical reagent used. So let's see where I'm at real quick. All right, try to get that salivary pad nice and wet. Just flip it over. Got the chemical reagent on the other side. Don't want to put that in your mouth. So just squeezing the 2 pads together, transfer the saliva from the salivary pad to the side with the chemical reagent. And then after about 5 to 10 seconds, we should get that Grice reaction. That will give us some kind of pink indicator. So as you can see, that is extremely light. It's actually lower than I was this morning. And so if we compare that to our tube, zoom in real quick. So you can see I'm super low, that's on the depleted side or very low. So that's essentially telling me that I'm about due for some dietary nitrate. Now I usually take 1 capsule per day in the afternoon. That's the regimen I've gotten into. So I'll be taking 1 capsule of the Nitric Oxide Foundation probably with my lunch.